Good morning, students. We are going to study chapter number 10 of physics. Name of the chapter is light. First, we have to understand what is light. It is a form of energy and can be transferred or transformed into one form to another. Second thing is, it do not require medium to travel but require medium to show itself. That means from while going from one place to another, light do not require medium, but to show itself, that means its presence, it require medium. It propagate in the form of electromagnetic transverse wave. Now what is electromagnetic wave? The wave which consists both electric as well as magnetic signals are known as electromagnetic wave. And what is transverse wave? The waves which travels in the form of this form, that means positive phase and negative phase. Such waves are known as transverse wave. Its velocity in air is or in vacuum is 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. It is symbolized by C, that is C is equals to 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second. It travels in a straight line, that is light always travels in a straight line and homogeneous transparent medium. Now the traveling or propagating the light in a homogeneous transparent medium is known as rectilinear propagation of light. And what is homogeneous medium? The same type of medium, that means medium do not change, that means either medium remains dense or medium remains rare, that means medium do not changes. Now light shows two basic important phenomena which are your in 10th class syllabus, that was reflection and refraction. Now what is reflection? The bouncing back of light after striking an obstacle. Now what is obstacle? It is a rukavat. Okay, what is say rukavat? That is obstacle, but the thing is that in same medium is known as reflection. I have written over there what is necessary for the reflection, that light remains in the same medium, while in refraction when light travels from one medium to another medium, that means medium changes, it slightly deviates from its original path, it slightly deviates from its original path. Such phenomena is known as refraction. That means in reflection medium remains same, while in refraction there is medium is different. Now first we are going to discuss what is reflection. Now importantly, reflection is of two type. First is regular, which is also known as specular, and the second one is irregular, which is also known as diffuse. This is the diagram of regular reflection. That means the surface remains same means that means there is a plane surface, while in irregular diffusion there is a irregular surface. If the surface is regular, then we observe regular or specular reflection. If the surface remains irregular, then we observe irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. Here I written this ray which comes on the point O over there, this is known as I ray. I means incident ray, and the ray which is reflected is known as R ray, that was R ray, reflected ray, and the perpendicular drawn to the surface is known as normal. This theta is known as angle of incidence, and this theta is known as angle of refraction. Here it remains same. This is I ray, this is R ray, this is I ray, and this is R ray. The difference is that here is a regular reflection, that means it follows the laws of reflection, while here the theta I and theta R is not follow the laws of reflection. And what is laws of reflection we discuss later. Now in regular or specular reflection, it is a perfect reflection. First thing is that it is a perfect reflection. Second, reflect it always observe in a mirror, that means plane mirror. It is observed in a water surface. It is also observed in highly polished floors, while irregular reflection, it is observed on the wall of the wood, or say wood also. In this, surface is not smooth or polished. Commonly, this type of reflection, that means irregular or diffuse reflection, is also known as scattering. It makes the important, this is most important property of this type of reflection, that is, it makes non-luminous object visible. Non-luminous means those objects which do not deflect light or which do not have their own light. These objects can be visible by irregular reflection. Now we are going to the topic reflection of light by a plane mirror. ठीक है, reflection of light by a plane mirror. So this is the plane mirror or a plane surface. This is incident ray, this is reflected ray, this is angle of incidence, this is angle of reflection. I ray means incident ray, theta I means angle of incidence, and n is normal, while here r means reflected ray and theta r is angle of reflection.